I'm V, and in this lesson, we will learn about Excel tabs. In this video, we will explore adding and renaming tabs. Open a new Excel workbook. We can do many things with the tabs. Let's start off by creating a new sheet. We can add a new sheet by clicking on the plus icon right on the right-hand side of the tabs. Just click on it. You see? That created a new sheet. The sheet are automatically named sheet plus a number. For instance, in my workbook, when I opened the new workbook, it included sheet 1. By me creating a new sheet, it named it sheet 2. If I delete this sheet and create another one, it will name it sheet 3. I will show you how to delete tabs at a later time. That way, I do not skip any steps. Now we will rename a tab. Once you right-click on the tab, a list will populate. You should select the third option from top down. This is the rename option. Now you know how to add and rename tabs in Excel.